YouTube's thumbnail testing feature. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share YouTube's new thumbnail A/B testing tool with you. This feature is a game changer for optimizing your thumbnails and boosting viewers' engagement. So if you don't have it yet, don't worry, it's on the way to your channel soon. Let's start with a quick overview. If you're not familiar with A/B testing, it's a method where you can upload different thumbnails for your video and YouTube will automatically swap them out to see which one performs better. In this case, YouTube is offering A/B/C testing, allowing you to upload up to 3 different thumbnails. How cool is that? So how to use this feature? It's pretty simple. When you upload a video, you'll see an option on the video details page to test and compare. Click on that and you'll be prompted to upload up to 3 thumbnails. YouTube will then take care of the rest, swapping them out and gathering data which one gets the most watch time. Now here's something important to understand. YouTube's test results focus on watch time rather than click-through rate. Why? Because watch time indicates that viewers' expectations are being met. If someone clicks on a video but leaves quickly, it means they didn't get what they were expecting. Longer watch time means higher viewer satisfaction, which is crucial for YouTube's algorithm. To see your test results, go to the video details page after video is published. Scroll down to the thumbnail area, click on the three-dot menu and select View Test Report. This will show you which thumbnail has the highest watch time share. Remember, the goal is to meet and exceed viewer expectation. Here are some tips for effective testing. Make sure your thumbnails are widely different. Don't just change the text color, create completely different designs. This helps you understand what really grabs your audience attention. Once a video has been online for a while, you can start testing smaller details like text color. You can run a new test at any time by deleting the previous test and starting a new one. This keeps your content fresh and helps you continually improve your thumbnails. Get creative with your thumbnails. So I'm gonna publish this video. In my next video, I will be updating you guys which of the thumbnail gets set for this video. That's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.